Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about rugs.
In today's video, I want to show you how to deep clean the rugs and carpet, especially if you don't have a carpet cleaner. Before we start deep cleaning the rug, the very first and most important step is vacuuming. You want to vacuum the rug thoroughly to remove all the loose dust, dirt, pet hair and debris that have settled into the fibers. Use a good quality vacuum cleaner with strong suction and make sure to go over the rug several times in different directions to lift as much dirt as possible. Pay special attention to the edges and corners where dust tends to build up. This step is essential because it prepares the rug for the next stage of cleaning. If you skip it, the dirt left behind can mix with water or cleaning solution and make stains even harder to remove. So always start with a professional detailed vacuuming. Look at all that dirt. This all came out of just 3 little rugs. And my vacuum was totally clean before I started. Crazy, right? It just goes to show that even when your rug looks clean, it's actually hiding a ton of dust and debris inside. I just showed you the carpet cleaner I use, but any will do, as long as you use hot water and a piece of fisher's net. Yes, you heard right, a fisher's net. This trick actually comes from my grandparents. My grandfather was a fisherman, and my grandmother used to repurpose his fishing nets to clean rugs and carpets. It's an old cleaning hack. I'd even say an ancient one, but it still works amazingly well today. The net helps to scrub the fibers gently without damaging them, while lifting out all that hidden dirt and dust. Sometimes the old ways really are the best. I show you how I actually clean the rug. I've got my mixture right here, nice and foamy. What I do is just take foam from the top, not the liquid. You don't want your rug to get too wet, and work it into the carpet. Scrub the fibers using the fisher's net. It's firm enough to lift the dirt, but soft enough not to damage the rug. After scrubbing a section, I rinse the net into the solution, grab some fresh foam and move on to the next area. You just repeat that until you've done the whole rug. And don't forget, wear gloves. The water is hot and it protects your hands from both the heat and the cleaner. I always do this part outside. It's way easier and a lot less messy. I hang the rugs on the line, especially on a nice sunny day. Once I've finished scrubbing, I just let the rugs hang there to dry in the sun for about 1 to 2 hours. The sunlight helps them dry faster and even gives them a bit of natural freshness. After that, they're clean, soft, and smell amazing, just like new. Honestly, there's nothing better than seeing them dry in the sunshine after all that work. Totally worth it. There's just something special about sunshine. It doesn't only help them dry faster, it actually refreshes the fibers. The warmth from the sun helps lift out any leftover moisture, and the natural UV rays act like a gentle disinfectant, killing bacteria and odors. It's nature's way of cleaning. It's simple, natural, and it's exactly how my grandmother used to finish her rug cleaning, letting the sun do its part. And that dirty water you saw me throw away? Yeah, crazy. It's amazing how something so simple, something people used generations ago can still beat most modern tools today. Old tricks, fresh results. See you next time. Bye!